Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify permits before renovation with ePermits, full guide step by step clearly. To start, gather all the necessary information about your renovation project. Identify the type of renovation you are planning. Check the local building codes and regulations relevant to your area. Visit the official ePermits website. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Navigate to the Permits section of the website. Select the option to search for existing permits. Input your project details, including address and type of renovation. Review the list of permits associated with the property. Make note of any active or expired permits. If no permits are found, consult with your local building department. Contact the department for any additional requirements. Ensure compliance with zoning laws specific to your location. Review any homeowner association rules if applicable. Document all relevant information for your records. Proceed to apply for the necessary permits if required. Complete the online application forms accurately. Pay any associated fees as indicated on the ePermits platform. Submit your application and await confirmation. Check the status of your application regularly. Once approved, carefully review the permit conditions before starting. Retain all permit documentation throughout the renovation process. Schedule inspections as mandated by your local authorities. Complete your renovation ensuring all work complies with permits. After finishing, request a final inspection to confirm compliance. Once passed, ensure you receive a certificate of completion. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.